Aha, that's why I won and you lost, you loser. Stop being so rude, Naomi, you cheater. Just admit you're bad. Boo-hoo, go cry about it, loser. That's it. I'm telling Mom and Dad. Mama!
What's the matter, Elijah? Why do you seem so mad?
Naomi keeps on being so rude to me and she keeps on making fun of me because I lost in this game.
I'm sure Naomi was just joking about it. It's just a game. Don't worry, Elijah.
Ugh! You don't get it! Dad, can you tell Naomi off? She keeps on making fun of me because of this game because she won and I lost.
Elijah, don't worry. It's just a game. Don't get so mad over it.
No one gets me. I'm just gonna go outside. The snow looks really weird. I think it might be a snowstorm because I heard that today. I'm gonna go tell Dad. Dad, I think there's a snowstorm happening outside because when I went outside, the snow looks so weird. And I also heard about a snowstorm today.
It's not good to lie, Elijah. Stop lying.
But I'm not lying.
Okay then, let me search it up. Oh my gosh, Elijah, you weren't lying. We better go tell the others, because this is crazy.
What's all this commotion? What the hell? I'm trying to enjoy the fireplace.
The reason why it was so loud is because there's a snowstorm happening. And if you don't believe me, here's the laptop.
Oh my gosh, we have to go tell Mom and Naomi. This is crazy. Kids, dinner's ready. What's the matter, kiddos? Why do you look so scared? Or do you not want to eat your food? Mom, there's a snowstorm happening. Really funny, kiddos. Stop pranking me. Oh, no worries. Don't panic. The light will turn back on.
No, I don't want to die.
Naomi, don't panic. You're not gonna die. Calm down.
Everyone, head to the room immediately.
Okay.
I'm freezing.
Unfortunately, you have reached the end of my video, and if you enjoyed it, comment down below for more ideas that I should do, because I cannot have another series of this. I'm so sorry for other reasons that I cannot tell you, but I hope you enjoyed it. Now, bye.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Take a look at the 5 and 10. It's glistening once again with candy canes and silver lanes that glow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Toys in every store.